Close enough. Alright, so from here on in, I'm going to be sounding a little bit like Darth Brooks with the scuba mask sort of thing going. It's important because now that I've got the rock wool in my throat already, you just want to keep it all in there. You don't want to start the job with this because then you'll be keeping all the rock wool, non-fiberglass, non-itchy, whatever, you liars, out of your face. Okay. Bree's just gonna come home and find me face down in a pile of rock wool, right? Body arranged in some sort of satanic pentagram, smoldering for some reason, no one knows why. Shit just got real there. Got really real. Oh man. Order of operations. Remember what we did before? You just gotta bust these off. Oh yeah. Sending those flying. Oh, I'm choosing to leave some of them in there for no reason at all. Just if they're not in the way, I'm not really keen on slapping them all out of there. Oh, it's just falling apart. Okay, there we go. Yeah! Got her. So we're through one bag and we're about half done. And we're not through one bag. We got a little bit left in there. Might have to go get some water. He's gonna pass out. It says right on the label there somewhere to wash your throat with water if you get that in your throat. So basically what they're saying is you want to be ingesting the Rockwell Simmons. I'm hoping the extreme pain that I'm in now is going to pass. It's hard to say if it will. You just got to push through it, right? Okay, order of operations. Snip them off first. Oh yeah, maybe if we just did them all at once. What do we think about that? We think it's a good idea, I think. Starting to talk like Gollum. You're situated on a ladder there. I'm also simultaneously time-lapsing this. I mean, it's been going for a while. We've done a couple weeks before on that thing, so it should be good. It's going to be looking weird because I'll be just doing this every once in a while as I'm talking to the camera or whatever instead of working. Got her set for a 10-second interval. Who cares? Even this one's just thicker. She's cracked as well. I don't understand. But like I was saying, it looks like there was fiberglass in here to begin with at some point. So whatever that means, no one knows. And again, I'm just trying to get these off so this stuff's easier to get in there. Well, I should say possible to get in there because it wouldn't be possible really otherwise. Starting to look as red as a tomato now. I'm red-green colorblind. I can't even see it. So if you guys think I sound like Red Green from the Red Green show, you're lying because I can't even see that, guys. He's invisible to me, right? He's like John Cena. Well, man, great, and it gotta be great. Oh, Lizzo. Killing it. Just slapping them all off of there, right? Oh yeah, spider webs on this one. Get out of there. Oh, neighbors probably think I'm setting up a grow op, right? It's legal now, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now we won't have any more problems with the order of operations here, hopefully. The throat seems to have cleared up a little bit, which I'm thankful for, because that was pretty awful. What I'm going to do here is jam this in. Or should I cut it? Should I cut it? What do you think? They're not going to be able to answer you, man. He is going to cut it. Oh, cut it. Cut it. So we got this guy going. I saw that it did a good number on it when I cut the bag open, so we'll be good here. A professional might have measured this. You guys clearly know by now that's not what I am. Just cutting around an electrical socket. I don't even need the knife, boys. For the boys, he doesn't need the knife for the boys. And we got ourselves our first clump, right? To jam in the open wall there. This is just a super sharp blade. He's just waving it around. Put that there. So this is actually the last one out of there. They said I'd have a bit extra. I hope they're right. Now that we're getting sort of all right at it, it's kind of getting fun, right? Now that we're not inhaling all the dust. Maybe the dust is getting to me now. All right, first bag is down. Second bag is gonna be down. All right, so we got her open. It's much the same. Only difference being, why did I do them all that way on that one? And I'll flip them this way. So the only difference being on this bag that it's a different bag. I'm hoping that this little project helps eliminate some of the heat loss that who knows if we were actually experiencing or if I'm just going crazy, right? But hopefully it does in the winter there, because you might not have seen it. But this zone is actually attached to the old the zone upstairs. What am I even saying? It's attached to the house. It's not a detached garage. That's what I'm saying. Gee, it gets so worked up, eh? Sweating here, man. A little bit hungry too. $1.50 meat missiles for the boys. Still screaming. His neighbors feel bad for it. Oh, we gotta go all the right way now. I don't even know if there is a way here, but I don't know if you noticed, but I've been jamming them right up in the wall because it looks like that's where they were supposed to be. Oh, it's got it in his eye now. Probably should have been wearing goggles too. One man great till they gotta be great. Lizzo firing her off again. Can't help it, right? Just an incredible artist. I don't really know what I'm going to call this video. Maybe Canadian man steadily loses his mind due to shoddy workmanship. I don't know why that's bothering me there, but I want that out. Get her back in. Get her back in there. Why men great till they gotta be great. Oh, Brianna. She says she's heading home. Stud finder's heading home. My queen. Gonna be married soon. Really excited about that one. Just the worst kind of friend here, guys. I'm texting on camera. Just turn her off. Don't put people through that. All right. So I finished texting. And I'm just about finished insulating. Just gonna film his back. So far, the hardest part of this job was taking those shelves off. Whoever put those on is dumb. I was vacuuming out the wall there just in case there's any spiders. And as the vacuum was blowing out air, it like blew a little dust at me. And of course I panicked hard, dropped the vacuum. Wish I had it on film. I'm not really an arachnophobe, I swear, but maybe if you just tilt the camera a bit, that you won't have to bend over like that. Ah, it's better. Now we can stand right up. Life is a learning process. You just work through it step by step. It'd be good to leave this wall just straight up like that, right? No! I'm really distracted by the screen as well. That's a problem. I just keep looking there and then there. It must look weird to you guys, but nothing you can do about that. Now, Hanya, from where you are, wherever you are. I don't know if I said it before, but this stuff's actually really easy to work with. You just jam her, right? Just jam her. Now, I'm just tearing out Quentin Tarantino in. Watch out. Dad jokes inbound. Just tearing out some of the fuzz around the extra pieces of wood I jammed in there. Might have took too much off. Whatever. Not everybody can be a hero. Sweating real bad now. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm really glad I didn't have to buy a third bag of this. That would have been disappointing as all hell. It looks as if I did not, boys. Boys and girls. If there is any girls watching. Probably not. Wild men great till they gotta be great. Bizzo. Killing it. Killing it. Killing it. Oh, almost fell over. It's gotten hot in here. It's almost like somebody insulated the place or something. He's itchy too. Not as bad as fiberglass though, I bet. Who knows? Not me. Just working her in there. Okay, so that's... Oh. There's a little corner over there that I gotta do still, but I'll save you guys that trouble because I've already done like 15 of these 4-minute clips to do this. But yeah, so I'll get back at you once I'm putting up the vapor barrier. Feels a lot hotter in here. I don't know if that's true or not, but it feels like it. Anyway, see you later. For now. Like, favorite, subscribe. A couple of screws, a couple of 2x8ers.